What if the dirtiest lab in history accidentally saved 200 million lives? In 1928, Alexander Fleming returned to his London laboratory after a 2-week holiday and found he had left a petri dish of bacteria uncovered on his workbench. A blue-green mold had grown across the dish, and everywhere the mold touched, the bacteria were completely dead. Fleming almost threw it away, but stopped and looked closer. The mold was producing a substance that dissolved bacteria cell walls from the inside. He spent the next 3 weeks testing it against every dangerous bacteria he had, and it killed all of them. He named it penicillin. Within 20 years, it was being injected into soldiers across every major battlefield in the world. All because one scientist forgot to clean up before going on holiday. Doctors estimate that penicillin has saved over 200 million lives since its discovery, making it the single most life-saving accident in human history. All because one scientist forgot to clean up before going on holiday.